Welcome to AI Frontiers. Today's episode explores groundbreaking machine learning research published on May 26, 2025. The presentation titled, Unifying AI. Breakthroughs in Machine Learning, synthesizes insights from over 15 papers. Key focus areas include unification across domains, efficiency improvements, and enhanced interpretability. The research spans computational biology to reinforcement learning, demonstrating the field's expanding impact. This overview navigates the frontiers of current AI research. The field of machine learning has evolved beyond isolated algorithms into a mature discipline. Three dominant themes emerge: unified frameworks replacing specialized models, deeper understanding of generalization, and novel efficiency techniques. The presentation will examine three seminal papers in depth, discuss future directions, and explain how AI synthesized this research summary. Machine learning has transformed into a foundational scientific discipline. It now drives advances across domains from drug discovery to climate modeling. Three paradigm shifts characterize this maturation: movement toward unified architectures, improved mathematical understanding of learning dynamics, and focus on algorithmic efficiency. The field is moving beyond benchmark chasing to address fundamental questions about how AI systems learn and generalize, with significant interdisciplinary impact. A major theme emerging from recent research is the push toward unified frameworks. Prot2 token by Pirmirzai and colleagues demonstrates this with a single model handling diverse protein tasks. Chen's Ctrl-DNA applies constrained reinforcement learning for DNA sequence design without task-specific architectures. Prot2 token achieves a remarkable 1000x speedup over AlphaFold 2 while maintaining accuracy. These unified approaches reduce computational redundancy and enable knowledge transfer, though they require careful design to avoid negative transfer between unrelated tasks. Understanding generalization represents another critical research theme. Chang's coverage principle explains why models struggle with systematic reasoning. Zhang's work establishes new metrics for evaluating diffusion model performance. Boursier's analysis of grokking via Riemannian norm minimization reveals a two-phase optimization process: initial data fitting followed by parameter norm minimization that enables generalization. These studies demonstrate that raw computational power alone is insufficient. Fundamental insights into learning dynamics are essential. Efficiency innovations form the third major research theme. Hernandez-Cano's demonstration of FP8 training for large language models maintains stability while potentially slashing costs and energy use. Chen's proxy-free G-flow nets streamline generative modeling. DreamPRM shows smarter data selection can outperform brute force scaling, achieving better out-of-distribution performance with datasets 20 times smaller. These advances address the pressing need for sustainable AI scaling. Several striking findings emerge across these papers. Prot2 token's 1000x speedup could revolutionize protein engineering and drug discovery. FP8 training may democratize AI through significant cost reductions. The grokking explanation resolves a long-standing training mystery. Mole-edit RL achieves 74% success in constrained molecular editing. Collectively, these results highlight how focusing on data quality and fundamental approaches is reshaping AI development paradigms. Methodological innovations underpin these breakthroughs. Constrained reinforcement learning balances exploration with real-world feasibility constraints. Diffusion models show versatility but face latency challenges. Sparse auto-encoders offer promising interpretability directions. Graph neural networks excel at local interactions in spatial data. Multitask learning emerges as a new efficiency paradigm, though careful architecture design is needed to prevent negative transfer between tasks. The first seminal paper, Prot2 token by Pirmirzai and colleagues, represents a watershed in computational biology. It replaces specialized protein modeling tools with a unified framework using an autoregressive decoder with pre-trained embeddings. The model matches AlphaFold 2's accuracy with a 1000x speedup, potentially accelerating drug discovery pipelines. This work demonstrates the power of unified approaches in biological domains. Malenfant's study of hidden gifts in multi-agent reinforcement learning tackles crucial credit assignment challenges. Through grid world experiments with shared keys, It reveals how standard moral approaches fail when beneficial actions are invisible. The solution involves action history awareness for agents. These findings could reshape cooperative AI system design for applications like traffic optimization and distributed energy management. Boursier's work on grokking via Riemannian norm minimization provides a mechanistic explanation for sudden generalization. It identifies a two-phase process: initial data fitting followed by slower norm minimization that enables generalization. This offers practitioners tools to diagnose training dynamics and potentially reduce wasted compute on non-grokking runs, establishing important mathematical foundations for reliable model training. Future research directions include cross-domain validation for unified frameworks and developing theoretical guarantees for diffusion models and RL methods. Ethical safeguards for powerful generative models are increasingly crucial. Broader validation of FP8 training across architectures is needed, alongside development of practical interpretability tools that bridge mathematical insights with practitioner needs. This presentation was synthesized using GPT and DeepSeek-chat models, with TTS via Google's text-to-speech and visual concepts generated by Stable Diffusion. While human experts reviewed for accuracy, potential oversights may exist. All references are provided for verification, maintaining transparency about this AI-assisted research synthesis process. 3 fundamental shifts emerge from this research snapshot. First, unification is replacing specialized tools with general frameworks. Second, deeper mathematical understanding enables more reliable AI systems. Third, efficiency improvements through algorithmic advances support sustainable scaling. Progress across theory and practice intertwines as machine learning evolves into a mature scientific discipline. In this podcast, we bring you the latest breakthroughs in computer science and AI, straight from archive preprint server. From neural networks to quantum computing, we simplify complex research so you can stay ahead. Whether you're a developer, researcher, or tech enthusiast, AI Frontiers keeps you informed daily. Thanks for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe for daily updates. See you tomorrow with more cutting-edge AI insights. Disclaimer: this video uses archived preprint server content under its API terms of use. AI Frontiers is not affiliated with or endorsed by archived preprint server.